Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on my Sierra Cosworth. In today's video we've got the smart repair guy turning up. Hopefully he's going to let me film him repairing my dash and refurbishing my front seats, and then after that we're going to pull all the inside trims out, get the roof lining out, and then I'm going to pull the bumper off, get ready to, when I paint the bumper, sort that lot out. So hopefully, as you saw in the other video, we'll pop the screen back out so he can access that. That's the repair I need doing on the dashboard, and I'm going to pull the seats out in a minute so he can do the seats out of the car. I don't want him spraying the seats in the car with a special gear. I'll let him do the dash. I'll pull the seats out before he gets here. He can do the dash, I'll drag the car out, and then I'll let him paint the seats in here, or dye the seats, or whatever the stuff is. So yeah, I'm going to just pull the seats out now, start getting ready for when he turns up. Let him do the dash, hopefully he'll let us film it. If he does, game on. Then he can do the seats. I'll move the car out of here. I just don't want to risk any, overspray going on the car and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to crack on. Let me rip these seats out and I'll see you in a bit. There we go, they're out. That was an absolute pain. The driver's one's got some big old spring thing connected to the seat and the floor. It was a nightmare to unclip. None of my other cosses have had that. So yeah, there's a big old spring underneath the seat. I might be able to show it. Where is it? Yeah, dangling down there. Connected to the seat and the floor. That was a pain because you couldn't clip it off the seat, and trying to unhook it from the floor bit where it collects into was a nightmare. Right, that's that bit done. It's about 9:30 now. The guy's due here at 9:30ish, so I'll wait till he turns up and I'll see if he'll let us do a bit of time lapse, and we'll go from there. See you in a bit. Right guys, the trim guy didn't fancy being on YouTube, unfortunately, and he didn't really want me to film him doing the repair because of the products he uses and the techniques, which is fair enough. It's his trade and it's solely all he does, but what a great guy, and he's done such a great job. Really impressed. So yeah, let me show you, and you tell me what you think. That dashboard has come out pucker. The little dent was always there. There's nothing he could do about that. That's just how it was. Very hard to show in here. Outside it looks epic. Even in here you wouldn't be able to tell. But yeah, what a job. Very interesting process. Obviously I totally get where he's coming from with his processes and the materials that he uses and stuff. It didn't even enter my mind, to be honest. But yeah, no, it's trade secrets and all that. You don't want to give that away. Seats are done as well, and I'm really chuffed for the seats. They're freshened up nicely. They look really well. I've got to get a new webbing for this side. The webbing's broke underneath, but they've come up real well. Really impressed. All the bolsters look nice. Obviously when the webbing's replaced, the seat will come up there. Yeah, gonna look nice, I reckon. I'll put up some before and after pictures now, and I'll also put a picture of his van up. If any of you guys need any interior repairs doing, then I can highly recommend him, and the price was really good, to be fair. Charged me, it was $220 I think to do the seats and the dash, $220 or $230, something like that. So yeah, really good price and really good work, to be fair. Yeah, I'll include the pictures now. Right, let's try and get this roof lining out. We'll remove the trims, get this roof lining out, and I'll see you in a mo. There we go, guys, as you just saw, roof lining's out. That was a bit of a pain. I ain't done one in many a years. I realised I could just pull this trim out rather than unbolting it and removing it from over there. But yeah, it's not that bad at all, to be honest. We've gone a bit saggy up here, the rest of it's intact. This is actually intact and it's gone a bit saggy below, but we'll sort that out. It's absolutely filth. Look at the state of it. And the trims are disgusting and all. I've got one here. I'm going to clean this trim. I'm going to put a bit of tape over it and show you the difference. But yeah, many years of grime there. We'll sort that out now with a magic eraser. And I'll show you the magic in a moment. There we go. So I put a bit of tape on now. I cleaned half of it. I don't know if you can see the difference. Absolute filth, years and years worth of filth. And one cleaned up bit. Let's try and take the tape off. Hold on, I'm doing this one-handed. You'll be able to see the line of dirt. It's years and years worth there, and then the finished product. You could put a bit of dressing over there if you wanted. They're going to look a bit better when they go back in, that's for sure. There we go, totally cleaned that one versus the one that I haven't touched. What would you prefer in your car? Massive difference. There we go. I've just done the sun visor for a laugh. It didn't even look that dirty, but you can see the difference. It's crazy. Cleaned up the black bit. Obviously not that black bit, but we will clean that as well. Such a massive difference. Lots more cleaning and sorting to go. There we go. It's quite hard to see in this light, so that's dirty, clean. Clean, dirty. There we go. That's all the time I've got for today with the scrubbing. But we will clean all the rest of them bits up. The difference is crazy. So yeah, while I've got all the seats out and everything, what I'm going to do is I'll scrub all the rest of the dash. I'll shampoo and clean up all of these carpets, clean and cream up all the leather. And while I've got some of the trim panels off, I'll remove these. I'm sure they were bolted from inside. Yeah, they are. You can see over there. I'll remove these so we can sort these out. When I paint the bumper, we'll paint them and sort them. So while everything's out of here, I may as well shampoo everything, scrub everything down, clean it all up, and make it look like it's worth the money that it is. Yeah, we'll take care of that. I've run out of time. I've got to go and take a couple of cars for MOT. So that's all I've got for today. But yeah, hope you enjoyed some of that. And some of the results speak for themselves. I mean, they look amazing. I'm not going to put them in yet. I'm going to wait till I've cleaned everything, obviously. But yeah, we're getting there, slowly but surely. So as always, massive thanks for watching. And we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.